Introducing the DIR series infrared heaters from Dimplex. With its sleek black ceramic glass finish, the DIR performs as beautifully as it looks. Built using extruded aluminum and made for all climates and conditions, the DIR heaters are rated watertight and tested to perform in cold weather down to -40. Install the heater at a minimum height of 8 feet using the supplied mounting brackets, angling the unit to direct the heat where needed. A hardwired electrical connection is required, which should be completed by a licensed electrician in accordance with electrical code. Use a remote control to activate the halogen heating element. Enjoy full power in only 8 seconds. Select low, medium, or high power to suit your comfort level. The radiant heat warms like the sun, heating objects rather than the air. Choose your heater or heaters using multiple units if required to provide the coverage needed to warm the selected area. Set the timer to shut off after 1 or 2 hours, or let the auto shutoff deactivate the heater after 8 hours, ensuring safe, efficient operation. With the premium quality and performance, the DIR series infrared heaters let you extend your outdoor living in comfort and style.